y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you a very easy way to create a gorgeous high-end looking centerpiece for Christmas. I'm using one of these serving trays from the Dollar Tree and four of the 6-piece set of stemless wine glasses from the Dollar Tree as well. I'm going to hot glue 4 of these stemless wine glasses to the bottom of the serving tray. I'm making sure that I have the wine glasses very evenly dispersed on the bottom of this tray so that it will not be top heavy or fall over and nothing will spill out. It will be a nice secure tray. I'm going to spray this piece that I have all glued together with Rust-Oleum metallic gold spray paint. It took one coat. It is an absolute gorgeous high-end looking tray. You would never believe, if you've seen this, that it came from Dollar Tree plastic serving pieces. I'm filling this bowl with some Dollar Tree fruit that I had painted last fall. I usually decorate in a gothic fall look, and so I had these fruit, and so I thought, why not use them for Christmas since I already have them and they're painted in black and gold and silver, and I thought that this would just elevate the look of my Christmas theme. I picked up some frosted picks at Dollar Tree that are green, and I put those around the fruit, and then I am clipping one of the Halloween trees apart, and I'm using the black Halloween tree. However, they do have white and green Christmas trees if black is not your thing and you want some traditional garland. This is a really great way to elevate the look of a centerpiece. It will also come apart and you can store it very easily and use the tray for other occasions. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Give this video a thumbs up. I always say that I am only here to show you what I did, but my hope is that you take my idea and you create something even more fabulous and beautiful, and something that is very budget friendly but will fit your decor and fill your home with something beautiful and festive for the holiday season and beyond. I'm going to tuck a painted apple pick into the top of this fruit bowl, and I love how this turned out. I am so over the moon in love with it. I cannot believe that something from the Dollar Tree turned out to be so gorgeous. Thank you ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch you in the next one.